All right, welcome to your final gym routine. The first exercise that we are going to do is the dumbbell Romanian deadlift. So with a slight leg bend, we're going to be pushing our hips back, keeping our back nice and straight. So really trying to avoid flexion of the spine. You should feel this in your hamstrings. This is going to be paired with a more difficult exercise. It's just the kickstand deadlift. So one foot's going to be back, and it's really replicating the same movement, but with much more of the emphasis on that front leg. Once you get done with this, you can pause this video, come back to it after you've done 2 or 3 sets, whichever you decided to do. The next exercise is going to be a seated dumbbell overhead press. So sit down at a bench, incline it all the way up, and we're going to press that weight right over our head. We're going to keep our elbows in tight to our body. This is going to be a lot more shoulder friendly. The exercise that this is going to be paired with, and you should probably go with a lighter weight, is just a seated dumbbell hammer curl. So have your palms face each other, go until your arms are totally straight, and then bend at your elbows, and you should feel this exercise in your bicep. The next series of exercises is going to be the dumbbell row. So put one knee on a bench, one hand on a bench, and you're just going to be bringing your elbow towards your back pocket for the dumbbell row. Now you can stay on the same bench for the next exercise, which is going to be the dumbbell skull crusher. You're going to want to use lighter weight than you did for the row. And what we're going to do is have our arms bent until 90 degrees and then come straight back up. So we're extending at our elbow. Once you get done with this, you can pause the video, come back to it when you are ready for the final round of exercises. So the last thing that you are going to do is a regular hip bridge. You're lying on the ground, legs are bent, and all we're doing is driving our hips up towards the ceiling. When you get done with the prescribed number of reps, we're going to move right into the crunch. So for this, don't come up with your neck. Think of the action coming more from your upper back. You should feel this exercise in your stomach. I'm just letting my hands slide up towards my knees. And you've completed the last routine.